So we are group 4. Our project is based on the IPAT equation. I'll just give a brief intro about this equation and our project before we go ahead. So IPAT equation is mathematically the product of population, affluence, and technology is equal to the total impact. So here we have taken electricity consumption as a issue here, and we are measuring the impact using these three parameters. And we have collected data from the World Bank's database on India, and there are over 1,400 variables, but we are only taking a handful of variables for our project. So let's move on to our key findings in the project. So starting with increase in population, we can see here that the population of India has almost doubled in the last 35 years almost. We have plotted both the linear and log graph for the population so that it can be better visualized, and we have also added the trend line. So it's a very linear curve which is very consistent and growing. Now, moving on to the next finding, as we can see from this graph, that electricity consumption has been increasing consistently from 1971 to 2014, and the increase has been the speed at which the increase has increased in the last 20 odd years. This is due to more industries coming up, liberalization, and we can see between 1998 and 2002 there is a plateaued consumption. Also, what is interesting here is that from 1971, when we compare it with 1999, for every individual in the country, electricity consumption has quadrupled. And compared to 1971, in 2014, it has almost grown 8 times.
In this slide, what we are going to discuss is the overall impact of the IPAT equation, which overall impact of the three factors like the total population, affluence, and the technology on the environmental pollution. So as my fellow colleagues have already demonstrated their effects, individual effects, here we can see the overall impacted index based on the total population. So from the first graph, it is like up until the year 1990, the overall impact index to the population was actually having a linear growth. But from 1990, you can see there was an exponential growth. And on a similar lines, we could see the overall impact index by the affluence. And similar to that, like we could see a similar effect by the technology on the overall impact index. So what this has already all have actually commonly contributed is saying that these factors have been on the rise for the past 10 to 15 years, like the total population and the affluence, and along with it there is a technological revolution which is being happening in our country. So they have actually led to a huge environmental impact, which have more cons when considered with their pros. But once again, when we see the impact, the calculated product of these three factors, when they are scaled down to a factor of 3, we could see that there is actually a huge jump from 2 to 6. So this we can be seen from the equation which we have calculated from IPAT. So what actually happened next to us, the population and the affluence, they actually had a huge impact, but huge negative impact on the environmental deterioration. But then with the technological innovation and all, we can actually reduce the impact to a level. This is the kind of analysis which we got to know from the analysis of the data set which we have acquired from the World Bank.